The Nextbase Click&Go Pro GPS mount makes daily use of compatible Nextbase dash cameras feel effortless, with strong magnetic connectors that snap the camera into place securely, yet release quickly when you want to remove it. Because the power cable plugs directly into the mount rather than the camera, the dash cam itself stays wire-free and uncluttered, which makes it easier to move between vehicles or store out of sight. Built-in global positioning keeps a detailed record of your route and speed, which can be invaluable if you ever need clear evidence after an incident on the road. The supplied adhesive pad provides a firm, semi-permanent hold on the windscreen so the mount stays put even on rough roads, yet does not add much bulk or block your view. It is designed specifically for the Nextbase Series Two models, including the 322GW, 422GW, 522GW, and 622GW, so alignment and power delivery are completely reliable. Overall, this mount feels like a thoughtful upgrade over basic brackets, combining tidy installation, dependable positioning, and useful tracking data in a compact accessory.